Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
SwappersWall is a social sharing and rewarding platform designed to promote freedom of speech and rewards on your quality posts. It is a decentralized social networking platform that offers a secured and rewarding platform to users, to connect, share, and reward with their peers. On SwappersWall, users can get power tokens as a reward for their good content and uploads. This is what makes SwappersWall more unique. What makes SwappersWall unique? Brand blockchain-based new social media platform. Like, comment, share and reward. Promotes good quality content. Not only do you get likes, but rewards that you can claim that has real value. Mobile-based app. Complete transparency of how things work. It is secure. It is middleman free. It is decentralized and is powered on blockchain network. Connect your same wallet with other middleman-free Eraswap platforms. Connect with your peers and family securely in peer-to-peer mode, without any middleman interferences. What are power tokens? Power tokens feature is the heart of SwappersWall. It is the most known feature among Eraswap community. With this feature, you can receive and send rewards, ES power tokens, to your peers, friends, or any other content creator whose content might catch your eye and you want to appreciate it. You not only get likes on your posts but power tokens. These tokens aren't just for fun but it holds value within. You can liquefy/withdraw your received power tokens anytime you want just by paying little to no fees of 0.3%. Let's learn how to use SwappersWall. How to deposit on SwappersWall. Step 1. Go to my profile on TimeSwapper's website. Step 2. Go to my wallet. Here you can check in and out deposit and withdrawal history from TimeSwappers as well SwappersWall platforms. Power tokens are allocated to one lifetime stakers to donate power rewards to SwappersWall community and cannot be consumed by yourself. Allocated power tokens can be donated to maximum 1% or less to each community member in a month. You can share your power tokens to any number of community members but not more than 1% to one member. Power tokens allocated for the month to one LT stakers must be to be donated within the NRT month. Unspent power tokens of every month will be burnt at the last day of NRT month with no carry forward. Next NRT month new power tokens will be issued to one LT stakers of the month. There is no timeline to withdrawal power tokens received from peers or other community members and can be withdrawn anytime. Go through next steps carefully and use TimeSwapper's wallet. Step 3, click on Deposit under my wallet. Step 4, copy this wallet address. Step 5, go to Eraswap Life website. Step 6, scroll down and click on Send, enter the copied address with amount, and click on Sign and Send Native ES. Step 7, copy your transaction hash from pop-up. Step 8, go back to TimeSwappers and paste it in this box and click on Submit to complete the deposit. How to withdraw on SwappersWall. Step 1, go to my profile on TimeSwapper's website. Step 2, click on Withdraw under my wallet. Step 3, enter the amount. You can only enter minimum of 250 ES. To view the detail of your withdraw and deposit transactions, click on View My Transactions under Wallet, or you can also check transaction page of SwappersWall. How to claim liquid power tokens received from peers. Step 1, go to my profile on TimeSwapper's website. Step 2, connect your wallet and go to Dashboard. Step 3, click on Claim under Liquid Power Tokens. Step 4, under Claim Type select only liquid, don't send stakes because it will then entirely go to stakes on left side, so select Claim to Wallet. Step 5, go to My Wallet to confirm the balance. If you are an old user and have already received old stakings from SwappersWall, then you can click on Transfer to Stakes and then claim from left side. How to withdraw stakes. Step 1, go to my profile on TimeSwapper's website. Step 2, go to Dashboard. Step 3, click on Claim and select Claim to Stakes. Step 4, visit DAOSwappers website and go to DAOSwappers dashboard. Here you can see the amount is increased in staking incentive. Click on Show All to view in detail. How to withdraw stakes to SwappersWall wallet. Step 1, go to My Profile on SwappersWall website. Step 2, go to Dashboard. Step 3, click on Transfer Stakes and click on Claim. Note that rewards are always came into two parts, minus 50% stakes and 50% liquid. In left bucket you receive original stakes and liquid in right bucket. Step 4, now click on Claim on the left side and confirm claiming. To check, go to DAOSwappers dashboard. Here you can see, to see the detail click on Show All. How to log in on SwappersWall. Step 1, click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose by Eraswap Life. Step 2, you'll be redirected to Eraswap Life, click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file / access through mnemonics / private key. If you don't have Eraswap wallet, you can create it. Step 3, if accessing through key store file, then, choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then, enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then, enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. After logging in successfully you will be redirected to SwappersWall. How to update profile on SwappersWall. Step 1, go to My Profile. Step 2, upload your profile picture and enter all basic details. Step 3, once updated, click on Save Changes and your profile will be set successfully. Step 4, to completely set up your SwappersWall profile, click on Update Cover Photo, to upload the cover picture. Step 5, browse cover photo image and click on Crop and your cover photo will be uploaded successfully. How to complete your KYC. Go to KYC tab to complete your KYC. Or check out tutorial video on YouTube named, KYCDapp.com for beginners, blockchain-based KYC, how it works. How to post on SwappersWall. Step 1, click on the ledger. Step 2, add the image/video file by clicking on Add Photo icon, enter the description of your post. You can also select the audience, public/private. Step 3, before posting it you can also tag friends by clicking on Tag Friend icon. Step 4, click on Create Ledger. How to like, comment and share posts on SwappersWall. Step 1, click on Ledger to see public posts, click on Ledger Log to see your and your peers' ledgers. Step 2, here you'll be seeing uploaded posts. You can like the picture, by clicking on thumbs up icon below the post. Step 3, to leave comment on posts, you can simply click on the comment box below post, and click on Comment on Ledger. Step 4, to share the post on your timeline, click on Share icon, enter description, select who should be able to see your post, private/public, click on Post. How to send power tokens on posts, on SwappersWall. Step 1, click on Ledger to see public posts, click on Ledger Log to see your and your peers' ledgers. Step 2, click on Send. Step 3, select where to send. Step 4, enter the amount and click on Send. How to see your peers. Step 1, click on Peers icon, here you can see all your peers and friends. Step 2, to accept friend requests click on Peer Request button. Step 3, to see your blocked/rejected friend list, click on Blocked/rejected list button. How to create group, circle. Step 1, click on Circle. Step 2, to create your own group, click on Create Circle. Step 3, enter basic details like name and description of your group, set the group picture, and click on Create Circle button. How to create your community, club. Step 1, click on Club icon. Step 2, click on Create Club button. Step 3, enter basic details like community name, community privacy, public/private, add friends, Enter membership charge, and then click on Create Club button. How to create your page. Step 1. Click on Pages icon. Step 2. Click on Create Page button. Step 3. Enter basic details like page name, page privacy public/private, add friends, and then click on Create Page button. SwappersWall, social sharing and rewarding platform designed for you. Create your profile today.